Alright guys, a little Sunday cook here. It's Sunday afternoon, probably about 2:30, and I'm going to do a little Sunday cook. I got some nice fresh fish here. Basically haddock. I got it from the meat market. One of the guys that work at the meat market cuts fish, and I give him extra eggs for the girl at the market, and he gives me free fish. So it's all fresh. It was frozen. I just thawed it all out, and we're gonna cook the fish. I got a couple of fresh eggs. I just picked these yesterday. I'm gonna show you what fresh eggs look like. I just picked these out of the coop yesterday, so they're all fresh. And I got some. I got a little bit more than 1 cup of rice, white rice there, and I got some beans. So I'm gonna show. This is kind of just making a quick little meal here. I'm gonna show you how I want to do it, and try to put a video together for you guys. Gonna be next level yumminess, y'all. Oh yeah. So we'll probably start with the rice and the beans there. I'm gonna make a little setup. I'll show you how I'm gonna do that. All right, guys. So I got the beans all rinsed out here with through the colander. 1 can of beans. Now, if you got 1 cup of rice, you need 2 cups of water. So basically, I got it like maybe 1 1/4 cups of rice there. So I'm gonna do about 2 1/2 cups of water, and what we're gonna do is, these are already pre-cooked, but we'll boil these beans for a while, and then we'll add the rice, and that'll be the rice and beans. And I could always rinse it off later if I want, just to get rid of some of the starch. That's what we're gonna do. We put the water in, turn it on, turn the fan down so I don't blow you guys out of here. Turn the fan on. We'll put a little bit of olive oil in there so it don't boil over. And what we'll do is we'll throw the beans in there, kind of cook them a little bit. Now, this is not a recipe, it's just kind of like how I do things. It's something different. How real workmen cook. I mean, I'm not a cook, I just kind of do my thing, and I try different things. I try to mix it up, so that's why people like to watch my videos. It's something different. Sometimes you get ideas, and it's all good, right? We'll bring that up to a boil, and we'll let it start chooching, and then we'll, once that thing starts chooching, cook the beans a little bit. They're already pre-cooked, but once we warm them up a little bit, we'll throw the rice in there and let it, bring it to a simmer, and we'll throw the rice in there, bring it to a boil, then we'll simmer it down, and it'll be a done deal. Oh yeah, next level, y'all. Next level. She's a choochin', mama. Oh yeah, she's a choochin'. Alright guys, we'll put the rice in there. Bring the rice back up to a boil, and then we'll simmer it till it's done. Up to a boil. And put it on the back burner back there, you can see it. Put it on the back burner on low. Lower it down so it's low, and just give it a chooch. Alright, what we're going to do here is we'll get the fish ready in this container here. Take this spray and just kind of spray this container down for the fish. I said to get this fish for free. Trade the guy eggs, fresh eggs for it. Oh well. We'll put the fish in the container there, and we'll be good to go. What we're gonna do with the fish, we're gonna broil it. So we'll just kind of get it ready to go. Pepper. I like fish. It's gonna be something different. I'm gonna put the fish and I'm gonna put eggs on top of it. Got some of the seafood seasoning. That's all prepped, ready to go. She's a chooching, Mama. She's a chooching. Oh yeah. We don't want to overcook it, so we have to turn that flame down a little bit. I mean, it's too much. Gotta turn it way down, just so it's just barely chooching. Can you see? I turned it way down so it's just barely chooching. And it's still a little wet, so I'll probably leave the cover off for now and just let the, you know, the rice and beans cook. Let's check out the beans, see if they're done. Oh yeah, the beans are done. They're all soft, so just kind of we'll cook that the rest of the way, and then we'll rinse it out, get all the starch out of it. We'll be good to go. You don't want it to stick, you know. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna cover it and shut it off now. It's done. That's done. We'll shut that off and we'll just put that aside and let that go. Alright, so we got the fish here, and we're gonna cook these fresh eggs. I mean, I just pulled them out of the nesting boxes yesterday, so I'm gonna show you what fresh eggs look like. And we're gonna put those fresh eggs right on top of the fish when it's done. Oh yeah, next level. Next level, y'all. She's gonna be next level, y'all. Alright, so for the fish, we'll do the broil. Start. Put this right in this metal pan here for the broiler. Alright, so you see all the seasoning I did for the fish. I'm going to take some butter. Throw some butter in there for the fish. So a real workman cook, Mama. Put some butter on there. It's all going to melt in there on the fish. The broiler's working. Take the fish. Have to keep an eye on it. Meantime, we'll start the eggs. Alright, we'll turn on this pan. I want to show you what fresh eggs look like. You see how they're all kind of like puffy? The clay is puffy. That's fresh eggs. See how the clay is not all flat? I mean, I just picked these yesterday, so I'm a fresh. See how the clay is all like together? That's when you know you got a fresh egg. Can you see how it's all like still together with the clear? Salt, pepper, and some herbs. Now I'm gonna break the yolks because I don't want it all like, you know, loose and stuff. And we'll cook that. Give that the old cookaroo, Mama. That's gonna go right on top of the fish. I probably should have put some butter down there, but I didn't, so whatever. The seasoned pan will be okay. One thing about me is I got fresh eggs. I have a bunch of chickens in the backyard there, so. Got fresh eggs, mama. Oh, yeah, next level, y'all. Well, I'm just going to shut this off for now and let it. It's pretty much done. We're going to rinse this, the beans and rice, the colander. It'll be good to go. But we don't want to overcook the fish. That's one thing we don't want to do is overcook it. So let's check that. We don't want to overcook the fish. Maybe a little bit longer. Just a little bit. I want to rinse the rice and get all the starch out of it. Well, you don't have to if you don't want. You can leave all the starch in there, but I kind of like it, you know, kind of like to rinse it and get the starch out of it myself, but do what you want, you know. You don't want to, don't do it. Rinse it if you want to. It's cold water, cold filtered water. I'm going to rinse it and get all the starch out of it. Alright, the eggs are done. I think the fish should be done by now. Oh yeah, that's done. Yum! Alright guys, I got the fish there with all the butter. Oh yeah. Alright, then I got the egg. Yum! Alright, and then I got the rice and beans that has all been rinsed. Could have put some butter on that too. Oh yeah, next level. Next level. Put some seasoning on that rice and beans. Pepper. Salt. Oregano. Oh yeah, that's a meal right there. Fish with fresh eggs and rice and beans. All I need now is a beer. How a real working man cook series. Alright guys, thinking outside the box series. Oh yeah. Thinking outside the box. Alright guys, we got the fish and the eggs here, the fresh eggs. Let's try it. Yum! Fresh fish, fresh eggs. Good eating right there. All the butter. Alright, so we're gonna do some rice and red beans. Thinking outside the box, mama. Alright guys, white rice and red beans and butter. Very good. Alright guys, thinking outside the box. How real working men cook series. Yum! You know where I'm going with this plate. Next level, y'all. Next level.